Hey everyone, how are you all doing? So recently I was reading some article and then I came across this article here that tells that Bill Gates announced 3 jobs. Yes, just 3 jobs that will survive the AI boom. And I'm going to tell you about those 3 jobs in this very video and let's see if you are the lucky one. But before that, let's understand what is the latest and the greatest that is coming in the world of artificial intelligence. It's gonna be a war out there in the job market which is coming because of the advancement in the world of artificial intelligence. So the best way is to get prepared. Friends, the world of artificial intelligence and the AI race is heating up. In the last few days, I've been reading so many articles, news, and so much is coming in the world of AI, LLM and whatnot. It's just mind-boggling how fast the AI is coming in our life, impacting every aspect of our life, including the job market. And one of the best way to prepare and stay relevant in this job market, in this world of artificial intelligence, where the real threat is coming from the artificial intelligence, is to stay updated. So friends, stay updated on the new advancement, new tools, new models that are coming. Try them and see what they are capable of and how can you put them to use to make yourself more efficient, and this is probably the best way to combat all these threats. And yes, that is exactly my endeavor in these videos, to keep you updated about the latest and the greatest in the world of artificial intelligence. Now first of all, let's talk about the Meta, or the company behind the Facebook. Now the Meta has been really quiet in all these AI wars, making you wonder what exactly is their next plan. But now the Meta confirms the plans to roll out the Llama 3 very soon. And I'm sure that you have been seeing all these Llama updates coming to your WhatsApp. So AI is now right there in your WhatsApp, and here you can see loads of suggestions that Llama gives you, and it really showcases the capabilities of Llama 3, what possibly it can do for you. And just to test the capabilities of the Llama, I just asked it a very simple question, that what is coming latest in the Llama, and here you can see the answer from the horse's mouth. So Llama itself is confirming what exactly is coming in the Llama 3. Really interesting. And now you can see in this latest news, very recently at the event in London, Meta confirmed that they have the plans to release the smaller version of Llama 3 in May 2024 with the full open source model that will be released in July in this same year. Now friends, this Llama 3, it's actually the Meta's answer to the OpenAI's ChatGPT, Anthropic's Claude 3, Google's Gemini and other LLMs. Now the Llama 3, within the next few months you will see loads of updates coming up, and this will be used in the various generative AI assistant across the Meta products, one of which WhatsApp I just showed you. And of course it goes without the saying that upcoming models of the Llama will of course be more powerful, more capable of the predecessors. And friends, I really tried to dig more, but the Meta has not opened up much on the exact comprehensive list of the Llama 3. But one thing I can surely tell you, that this Llama 3 is going to be multi-model, which is capable of understanding different types of input data and analyzing them. And in case you also have some latest updates over the Llama 3, then please do share in the comment section. Now let's talk about the Google. Now the Google recently talks about the next generation model of Gemini, which is Gemini 1.5. And Google is making Gemini 1.5 Pro available in 180 plus countries via the Gemini API, with a first ever native audio speech understanding capability and a new file API to make it easy to handle the files. And then my friends, on the number 3 we have OpenAI, the makers of the ChatGPT. And of course we all know that they have actually made the artificial intelligence a household tool. You cannot take the ChatGPT or the OpenAI, the company behind the ChatGPT, for granted. And recently they have announced the ChatGPT Turbo in the OpenAI API. And this ChatGPT 4 Turbo, according to the OpenAI, is the latest generation model. And most importantly, this AI model, the latest one from the ChatGPT, has the cutoff knowledge date of April 2023. And then it also introduces the 128K context window, which is actually equivalent to the 300 pages of the text in the single prompt. And cherry on the cake, this model is going to be 3x cheaper for the input tokens and 2x cheaper for the output tokens as compared to the original ChatGPT 4 model. And the maximum number of the output tokens for this model is going to be 4096. And in case you're already thinking how to access this latest model of the ChatGPT 4, through the OpenAI APIs. So let me give you more details on the same. So for this model, after you have made a payment of $5 or more, you will be able to access the ChatGPT and the ChatGPT Turbo via the OpenAI APIs. And just for you to fully understand how to access this latest GPT-4, I have kept loads of documentation link in the description box with which you can understand the entire process. And here, my friends, I also want to mention that both the ChatGPT-4 Turbo and the Gemini Pro 1.5 are multi-model systems that will be able to understand more than just the text. So each of these models, of course, in addition to taking the text, it can also take the image input. But yes, the Gemini model, as expected in the reports, can also take the inputs in the form of audio and video. And then finally, my friends, at number 4, we have MistralAI, which is a French-based company, and that also sells the artificial intelligence products. And this company was founded very recently in April 2023 by the previous employees of the Meta platform and Google DeepMind. And it's also important that you know that unlike its American competitors, Mixtral was released through a simple download link. And this company takes an open source approach, which means that anyone can download and build upon. And now, my friends, let's talk about the Bill Gates and the 3 jobs given by him. So friends, the Bill Gates, the co-founder of the Windows, I'm sure you all know that, shared his insights on the artificial intelligence on his blogs, which is called the Gates Notes. Now, in case you've never read this blog, which is called the Gates Note directly from the Bill Gates, you should really check that out. And here is the link for the same, gatesnote.com. So please go ahead and read. You will surely learn something from it. And as I read this blog and the news associated, I can tell you that Bill Gates is predicting that the future is heavily influenced by the artificial intelligence, but also believes that there are certain jobs that will remain immune to the automation by the artificial intelligence. And what are those jobs? Well, according to the Bill Gates, 3 jobs that are resistant to AI. The first one is energy related roles. The second one is biology related positions. And the third one is those professionals that are actually involved in designing AI tools. So are you the lucky one? And among any of these 3 jobs, let me know in the comment section. And also there is loads of study material in the description box so that you can stay on the top of the learning curve in the world of the artificial intelligence. So please read those documentation, enhance your knowledge and understand the world of artificial intelligence. You cannot escape it, love it or leave it. And do not miss to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon so that you get the timely notifications. And that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay fit, keep learning and thanks for watching.